Okay. We got 3 of them eating. One of them just doesn't know what to do. He said, I want a baba. He says, I want my baba. Get your feet out of there.
Going around in circles, this one. Come on, get your head down in there. He just doesn't want anything to do with it.
He says, I want my baba.
Should I give it to him?
Maybe she'll get the idea. Everybody else is down there. She says, no, I don't want that. I want to be a baby still. Oh, you little teddy bear. You just so stubborn. Come on, get in there. Oh my goodness. You're missing out. Come on, get in there. Okay. Oh yeah, you try it out. Nope, I'm going to come over here. What's going on? Battery's dying.
I don't want anything to do with it. You better hurry up, there won't be any left. Chew on the bowl now, huh?
Yeah, she says, I'll chew on the bowl, but I don't know what that stuff is in there. That's not my baba. Oh, maybe. Maybe not. Oh. She walks right through it. They're sure making a mess.
Yeah.
Those paper towels were clean.
Mm-hmm.